Alright, here's a trick on how you can get a free Wix domain in 2024. So here, as you can see, this is going to be my automatically assigned domain in Wix. If I click on edit site, it's going to load up the Wix website editor. I'll just show you what it looks like. And basically, it's gonna look like this. So if I click on this link, it's just gonna take me to the Wix website. This is gonna be the URL, as you can see. But if we actually want to change this, here's what we have to do. From the main page of Wix here, we will just click on our name in the top right and then go into account settings. Now here from the account settings, you will see site URL prefix, and we can click on this pencil icon to edit this. So we can just make this anything we want. So for example, I'll do NetHelp, because that's the name of my channel, and this is what our new domain is going to look like. So we changed it from the previous one to this one. So this is going to be nethelp.wixsite.com, and we can click on save. And now, as you can see, this will no longer take our email address or whatever we had assigned, but instead it's going to create a new URL for our Wix site. And that's how you get a free domain in Wix. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.